I have only 7 minutes. Usually I speak for 90 minutes at lectures at the University of Technology, but I will try to fit in time. I would like to share with you my experience of upgrading to Business Central Cloud according to the following plan. Not so long ago, I was asked to conduct quite a difficult upgrade from NAV 3.7 to Business Central Cloud. Let me just add that the NAV 3.7 is a very old version. It has been released even before I started working in IT.integro, so it was before 2005. Let's start our journey with the most important question. How to prepare for the upgrade? Well, some magical tools would surely come in handy. But if you don't have any, a good idea is to follow this plan. First, investigate the modifications. Are they all used? From my experience, some modifications stop being used after a while, especially reports. We have mechanisms that allow us to log which reports are actually used by the users. It is advisable to go to all the business processes with key users to check that what exactly is used in the system. The fewer modifications to be transferred, the cheaper and easier the upgrade will be. Next, check if the modifications need to be redesigned. Sometimes modifications that strongly modify the Business Central standard application have to be redesigned. The means to modify the standard applications have changed in Business Central comparing to the previous versions, often requiring modification redesigning. Last but not least, you should verify if add-ons that are currently used are still available in the Business Central on cloud. Probably wondering if the upgrade is complicated. The newer version of the NAV Business Central, the better. Upgrade is much easier for newer versions. There are two main factors influencing the complication of the upgrade: the data and the modifications. As you can see, the older version, the more work with upgrade data because you have to follow certain steps provided by Microsoft. Upgrade toolkits have been prepared to work only for particular versions of NAV Business Central. How time-consuming is the upgrade? As you know, time is money. In my opinion, the following factors are very time-consuming: modifications, test migration to Business Central, verification of migration correctness, and the final upgrade itself. A good news is that the final switching from an old system to Business Central can be done over a weekend or even a single evening. Now, do we have any bad news? Are there any BC Cloud restrictions? Unfortunately, yes. Not all the standard functionalities can be modified. In those cases, a workaround needs to be found. Moreover, Business Central Cloud sometimes works slowly. However, this is unofficial information, naturally. To finish with more optimistic slide, let's see what the cloud upgrade benefits are. The upgrade to the latest version is done almost automatically. It is because the modifications are based on the extensions, so they should work even after upgrading to the latest version. If problems occur, they can be solved quickly. Moreover, adding a new functionalities is very fast in Business Central. For example, the implementation of SAFT VAT module from Polish functionality was integrated with Business Central in 1 hour only, and it took 3 or 5 days in the older version of NAV. Finally, a somewhat philosophical question: to upgrade or not to upgrade? That is the question. I personally recommend it.